Modern kitchens are becoming increasingly sophisticated, calm, and visually clean. Today, design is moving away from random details and striving for harmony. Where every line and shape creates a sense of comfort and balance. In 2026, a sense of space is especially valued. Even compact kitchens can appear open, elegant, and airy if the interior maintains a unified visual rhythm. A modern modular kitchen is more than just a practical solution. It's a part of the interior that shapes the mood of the home, making the space cohesive and aesthetically pleasing. More and more designers are opting for simplicity, neat shapes, and calm combinations. Kitchens are becoming a pleasant place to be, not only to cook, but also to relax, socialize, and enjoy the atmosphere. Particular attention is paid to proportion. When elements are balanced, a space appears more luxurious, cleaner, and visually more spacious, regardless of its actual size. Modern interiors strive for softness, smooth lines, neat surfaces, and a sense of tranquility create kitchens that are timeless and remain relevant for years to come. The kitchen is increasingly perceived as an extension of the living space. It blends seamlessly into the home's interior, supporting the overall style and creating a sense of cohesion. These ideas demonstrate how versatile modern kitchen design can be. It suits a variety of layouts, lifestyles, and aesthetic preferences. Let these interiors inspire you. A modern modular kitchen is a combination of aesthetics, comfort, and a well thought out space that makes you want to be there.